Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your device supports live wallpapers and has about 100 MB free. This prevents mid-install failures. Once done, pick your source, an app from the official store, a trusted APK, or a local video or animated image. Make sure to grant storage access, display over other apps permission, and whitelist the app from battery optimizers. These steps let you run an animated image reliably, and they reduce crashes while you proceed to custom. Once the app is installed, open it and import your clip or select a preset. You can crop or scale to match your screen's native resolution, usually 16:9 or device-specific dimensions, and set the frame rate for smoothness versus battery life. Make sure to configure looping, start/stop triggers, and mute any audio. For longer battery life, lower FPS or enable a battery-friendly mode. This still looks good while preventing thermal throttling. You'll then be ready to preview and refine before applying. You finish by applying the live wallpaper to the home screen, the lock screen, or both. Preview it and watch for stutters when you swipe or wake the device. If it looks good, confirm and exit. If you see dropped frames or crashes, clear the app cache, re-grant storage and overlay permissions, or switch to a lower resolution or shorter clip. If the wallpaper still won't play, reboot the phone, then retry. This usually resolves permission or service startup conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.